What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you're new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today our topic is PlayStation 5 error. The error is that CE-108360-8. Please check the connection status of HD camera and a PS5 camera, a PS camera. So I'm just share a screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Look at that. We go to the settings here, and then you just scroll down in the accessories, other accessories, and here you get the camera, HD camera and a PS camera. So when you connect it to your camera, you will get a video here. Your camera is connected, and set the all settings here. And the PS camera also, you just go connect your PS camera and set the all settings left, right, or bottom. You can set you want to set and adjust the camera. So simply, that's how you can adjust and set a camera on your PlayStation 5. That's how easy. If you want to ask me a question or more query, you just leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one, for the next topic.